Hey guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going inside a mezuzah. That's right. This is the scroll that Jewish people affix to the doorpost of the rooms in their home and outside their home, and they kiss it every time they leave and come into their home, and it is very sacred and special. And I have a very unique opportunity to show you guys inside the scroll because I had to buy a new one and I thought this would be awesome to share with you guys. So I wanted to show you the scroll and just share with you about it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Marian. I make videos about being a mom and being a Jewish mom, and I would love for you to stick around and be one of my subscribers. Just hit that red subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So this is a mezuzah. They come in all different shapes and sizes and colors and designs. They're a beautiful piece of Judaic art, and there's all sorts of Jewish artists that create them. I will link this one for you guys below. This is a really modern one. I think it's so beautiful. It's by Apeloig. I'm definitely mispronouncing that, but it's a very cool brand. So I will link this one below. We have all different ones in our home. I actually have a mezuzah video, like a tour of the mezuzahs in my home. I think I have that, or it's at the end of how to put up a mezuzah video. I will link that down below. But in this video, I want to talk about what goes inside the mezuzah, and this is called a cloth. It is the parchment paper that goes inside, and by parchment paper, I mean it's literally written on a specific type of paper that's made from animal skin. So this isn't just like something you could print out from the computer. So these can be expensive. They range in price from, I would say, $25 to $100. Really interestingly, the pandemic has caused the price of mezuzah scrolls to go up because many groups were meeting in much smaller groups to have their minions and services each day during the pandemic, and there was this demand for more Torah scrolls to be written so that smaller groups could all have their own. So these are written by scribes. It's a special skill in the Jewish community, and it's like a life's work of people to become a scribe and to write these and Torah scrolls and things like them. So they're very precious. They're handwritten, and inside are two passages from the Torah. You know, I'm gonna do some cutaways so you guys can see, but it's the Shema and Ve'ahavta prayers. They're said every day, and they're actually said multiple times a day. They come from Deuteronomy 6:4, I think, and 11:13. I will link the exact passages below. You guys are always interested in that. And those verses are some of the most holy, most well-known, most often said prayers that we use in Judaism, and they remind us that God is one and of our relationship to God. So the idea is that every time you walk into a room or leave a room, you remind yourself by touching the mezuzah or kissing it that God is above you, God is with you, God is everywhere, and God is one. So it's this constant daily routine, really putting it into place and never forgetting how critical that passage is in the Torah and how critical it is to our everyday life throughout every day of our lives. Another interesting thing about the letters actually written in this, and again, I'll cut away so you can see, is so the first word that you see in the mezuzah scroll is Shema, and the last word of that sentence is Echad, Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad, which translates to, listen Israel, the Lord is our God, the Lord is one. So that tenet of having one God is like the most central spiritual aspect of the Jewish religion. And what's really interesting about how those words are written is the last letter of the word Shema is an Ayin, and the last letter of the word Echad that finishes that line is a Daled. And if you look closely, there's really special there are special decorations almost of those letters. They're written in a thicker font with even like a crown on the Ayin. And the purpose of this is those two letters together, Ayin and Daled, form the word Ad, which is witness, so that we can witness this sentence and that we don't accidentally mistake our words. So the letter Daled in Hebrew can look like a resh. They're sort of similar, and a resh would make the word acher, which means God is other. But the point is that we really want to hit that Daled sound, and when you hear Jewish people say the Shema, they'll really sound out that Echad D sound to make sure that we hit that oneness of God. Then on the back of the scroll, you'll see the word Shaddai, which is a name for God, Shin Daled Yud. So that's on the back of the scroll. And then you can roll them up yourself. A lot of them come pre-rolled, like to make them really, really tight. To fit into different mezuzah scrolls. So I'm gonna roll this one a little bit tighter and then slot it in, and then I'm going to hang it up on my office. Actually, I've been really looking forward to doing that. And if you're curious about how to hang a mezuzah, the prayer to say, and all of that, I will put that link to the other video down below. So I hope this video has been interesting to you. Let me know if you have any questions, if you've always wondered about mezuzahs, if you've seen them around and, you know, have noticed them on Jewish homes and things like that. Be curious about them. So yeah, let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.